In physics class, we learned that you can cook anything with a mirror and some light. So let's try it out. Man, I hope this really doesn't last long because I'm getting kind of hungry. Hello guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to solve problem 34.42. It's very similar to 34.41, but there's a couple twists, but I'll talk more about them as we go through them. Okay, so like always, when I'm going through multiple lenses, I'm going to find my S prime first. I'm going to use my basic formula of 1 over S plus 1 over S prime equals 1 over F. To do this, I'm going to solve for 1 over S prime. That's going to equal to 1 over F minus 1 over S. Get rid of those 1s, so that's going to equal S minus F over F times S. 1 over S prime. And now I'm going to solve for S prime. So flip it, F times S over S minus F, and that's my S prime. Okay guys, now it's time to apply those formulas to my first set of numbers. Let's start. So solving for S1 prime, it's going to equal S1 times F1 minus S2 minus F1. Okay, so I have my S is 20, so 20 times negative 12 thanks to the position of the glass, and from here I'm going to go 20 minus minus 12, and that's going to give me equal to negative 7.5 centimeters. That's going to be my S1. Okay guys, now it's time to solve for my Y prime. So we know from earlier that for M can either mean negative S prime over S or Y prime over Y. So I'm going to set these two equal to each other so I can solve for Y prime. So Y prime equals negative S prime over S times Y. Okay guys, now it's time to plug in the numbers. So I have it here, negative 7.5 over 20 times 2.5, which is my Y, and that's going to be equal to 0.9375 millimeters, which is my new height for when I use or second set of numbers. Alright guys, now I'm going to erase these formulas so I have more space, but you should know this by now, so let's hope it works. Okay guys, now before I go into the second part, this is one of those tricky parts that I was talking about. We can't just plug in this number and call it good. No, we actually had to add it to something else because of how the problem was set up and those 9 centimeters we had at the beginning. So now, thanks to the position, this negative sign goes away, and now I just have this. S2 equals 9 plus 7.5, and that's going to equal to 16.5, and that's going to be my new S2. Now we can plug it into the formula. I'm going to use this formula, and just like last time, I'm just going to skip to it right away. Oh, this should have been a 1 the first time. Ignore that. Okay, so my S prime 2 is going to equal S2 F2 S2 minus F2. Here, my S2, I just said, is 16.5 times my F2, which is 12. 16.5 minus 12, and that's going to equal 44 centimeters. So that's my new S prime 2. Now I'm going to use my formula for Y prime. I already worked it out, so I'm just going to plug it right in. So Y prime 2 equals negative S prime over S times Y. Now it's ready to start. From here, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go negative 44 because that's my S prime. Now my S, we have it right over here, 16.5. And my Y, I'm going to use this little number right here, 0.9375. And let me look at the answer. My answer is going to be negative 2.5 millimeters. And that's my answer for my Y2 prime. The answer is this. The image is going to be 44 centimeters to the right of the second lens and 53 thanks to the 9 centimeters to the right of the first lens, and the final height is going to be negative 2.5 millimeters. It's going to be a real image and it's going to be inverted thanks to the negative sign. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the last video of this week.